So you're ready to take the next step in your trade career. The question is, how to apply for Journeyman exam online. The good news is the process is simpler than many expect. And once you're registered, you're on your way toward a nationally recognized credential. Let's walk through it step by step. First, understand what the Journeyman exam represents. It's based on national occupational standards, which means your results are valid across the country. Passing shows you've mastered both the knowledge and the practical skills your trade demands. When you apply online, you'll usually go through your state or provincial apprenticeship authority. Most jurisdictions have dedicated portals for trades exams. You'll create an account, confirm your eligibility, and submit documentation like proof of apprenticeship hours or employer verification. Next comes scheduling. You'll select an available exam date and location, or sometimes an online proctored option. Payment is handled directly through the portal, so keep a credit card ready. Here's the thing, applying is the easy part. Preparing is where the challenge lies. The exam runs 3.5 to 4 hours and includes 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. They don't just test definitions. Expect scenario-based problems, calculations, diagrams, and troubleshooting situations drawn from real work sites. That's why preparation matters before you even hit submit. Set yourself up for success by combining your work experience with focused study tools. Think Q&A, books to test recall, explanation-style guides to build understanding, and timed online practice exams to simulate the real thing. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find all three in digital format. That means no waiting for shipping. You can download instantly and review on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Perfect if you're studying after a shift or during a break. If you're nervous because it's been years since you last wrote an exam, that's normal. Many tradespeople feel the same way. The trick is to break your study into small chunks. 20 to 30 minutes a day adds up fast. Focus on core sections, safety codes, tools, math calculations, system layouts, and troubleshooting. Link what you read to what you do on the job. That connection makes the content stick. And here's some encouragement. Thousands of people across the country successfully apply for and pass the Journeyman exam each year. You're not alone in this process. Once you've applied and prepared, exam day becomes another step forward, not something to dread. And after you pass, the benefits are real. Higher wages, job stability, mobility across regions, and opportunities to lead, teach, or even run your own business. So if you're wondering how to apply for Journeyman exam online, start by visiting your apprenticeship authority's website, submit your documents, and pick your test date. Then turn your focus to smart preparation with tools built for tradespeople. You already have the skills. Now it's about proving them on paper. With the right plan and the right resources, you can move from applicant to certified journeyman with confidence.